Hi, this is Tommy Hoban from DiscoverTec, and I just wanted to go over quickly what a content management system, or a CMS, is for a website and website development, how they're used, and why they're really important to have when having a website. So you can see where we're starting here at the DiscoverTec.com website. We have the About page, our services, work, we have our blog, contact page, and I wanted to go in and show you exactly how we can go into a CMS, the content management system, and upload, change, and do different things on the website itself basically instantly. So you see we're at the Our Work page, and going down, let's go into the Wounded Warrior project. One of our clients. We do development, design, analytics, IT, do a lot of work for these guys. And going into the content management system, you can see how you have a basic login. And once you log in, you can see here how we have somewhat of like a Microsoft network set up on the side here, where you have the campaigns, blog search, the About Us page, services. You see it over in the corner here. Let's go into work, because that's where we began. Again, we were looking at this page here, the Our Work section, so we call this Work, and then into Wounded Warrior. And so you see here we have Work, and then all we have to do is click on Wounded Warrior. At that point, we have these different fields that we're able to put information into. For example, a major US-based charity dedicated to improving the lives, etc., etc. And you see that exact same information here. So what is represented within this content management system here, so I'm going to put this in here, and I'm going to put test text. This is live, so it's not something you're always going to want to do if you're going to hold on to it for the long time. And then up on the left hand side here, we've got save and publish. That means when we go back to Wounded Warrior, you see a major US-based charity and what that states, but then when I push refresh, automatically you're able to see what the text is that is uploaded into the content management system, which I'm going to make sure that I put right back, and then save that again. What you'll also be able to do, let's go into the blog, for example. This is very, very important for search engine optimization. So let's go into blog, and you see here we have some information about remarketing, we have some information about SEO and analytics, different styles of color, and just typical blog fodder. And you see here, does your SEO offer analytics? And this is a blog post that we wrote in-house, and we formatted with specific links. We have, you can see here, bolded text, as well as what we call a block quote that pulls out specific information. So this is great on the content side. Going into blog, we then go and find SEO and analytics. And you see here is the preview, which is the first thing you see here. This is our preview text. And then clicking in there and going back into our content management system, you see we have our body text. And so this is really set up just like a Microsoft Word document. For example, you see here Google Analytics. If we were to highlight that and then go right up here and click on link, you can see the URL in which that would go to, which is google.com search Google Analytics. So then if somebody's there and they click on that, that's what they're going to run into. If you wanted to just make a quick, easy change, you could go in here and type in something else. Let's say, actually, let's do it like this. and changing it up. Let's just do it something easy. Let's just make this go to eBay. Push update. Go back in. Once again, just push refresh. Google Analytics. Click on that. It no longer goes to that analytics page. It goes to the eBay page. Actually, it didn't because I didn't save it. Here, let me push save real quick. Really, it's just that easy. So again, to actually work this time, push refresh. Google Analytics goes into eBay. Yes, it's a 404. It's going to a non-page, but nonetheless, you do see here where it says ebay.com. And those are really, really easy changes that we can make within these content management systems. I'm going to go ahead and switch that back so that we don't lose anything. Update it. Make sure we save it this time. Go in. Easy, quick refresh. And then leads you right back to Google Analytics where it was prior. So content management systems are really these days absolutely standard in web design. The reason being is because typically when you have a designer and you have text or pictures you need to upload and they're just taking their time on it and they can't go back in because they don't have time or they forget to do it, don't have it on the list. Normally the marketer or the content writer, after they write that content, can easily go into a content management system, or a CMS is how you'll find it typically stated. Go in, make the quick change, and then again it shows directly on the website in real time. So having one of these built in your website is an absolute must. Of course, if you have any questions, give us a call over to DiscoverTec. Thank you.